Hello everyone, let's see P block elements. This is the today's topic. So welcome back to Krishna classes again. My name is Surbhi and let's start the today's topic with me. The P block element. This is the topic of chapter 3 of class 11. I covered all previous topics and S block elements. So for knowledge of that topic and next topics, you have to first subscribe Krishna classes and hit the like button. So let's start the today's topic, the P block elements. Okay, what is the P block elements? They belong, means P block elements belong to group 13 to 18. It means group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18, they are the P block elements. Okay, and these together means S block elements and P block elements. It means S block elements and P block elements both are together known as representative elements. Both are collectively called representative elements or main group elements. It means S and P block elements collectively called representative elements or main group elements. S and P. Okay, they are called representative elements or main group elements. Now come on next point. What is the characteristics of P block elements? Outermost electronic configuration is NH2NP1. It means the P block elements outermost electronic configuration NH2NP1 to NH2NP6. You know very well, the subshell P has capacity to fill 6 electron. I described in very detail in my previous class. That's why here NH2NP1 to NH2NP6. It means P1, NH2NP1, NH2NP2, NH2NP3, NH2NP4, NH2NP5, NH2NP6. These are the outermost electronic configuration of P block elements. Now come on next point, group 17. Group 17 is called halogen group. Group 17 elements is called halogen. Group 17 elements is called halogen and group 16 elements is called chalcogen. Okay, group 17 is called halogen and group 16 is called chalcogen. Now come on next point, they are highly negative, means P block elements are highly negative. Electron gain enthalpy, it means they gain electron and radially add 1 or 2 electrons respectively. It means they radially add 1 or 2 electron to attain stable noble gas. It means when they contain 1 electron, when they gain 1 electron or 2 electron, they converted into noble gases. Noble gases configuration. I will discuss after some time. This topic is very detailed. Now come on next point. Left to right non-metallic character increases. It means when we go from left to right in P block elements, then non-metallic character increases. When we go down from up to down, then metallic character increases. What is the meaning of these lines? Look at here. Here P block elements have given. Here you can see very easily P block elements. These are the P block elements. 13 group, 14 group, 15 group, 16 group, 17 group and 18 group. They are the P block elements. What is this? Group 17 is called halogen. It means these are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and statine. These are the called halogen. And 16 is called chalcogen, means oxygen, sulfur, silicon. These are called the chalcogen. Now come from left to right. When we go from left to right, means from boron to fluorine, neon, then non-metallic character increases. It means boron is more metallic than fluorine, neon. Okay, they are non-metallic. Boron is metallic, but they are non-metallic. It means when we go from left to right, then non-metallic character increases. When we go from up to down, top to bottom, then metallic character increases. Okay, now come on next point. They are highly negative electron gain enthalpy and radially add 1 or 2 electrons respectively. It means, take an example of fluorine. Fluorine gain 1 electron and converted into neon, because neon is the noble gas. Like fluorine, chlorine gain also 1 electron and converted into argon. Argon is noble gas, because they are stable gases. That's why p block elements contain 1 electron to convert in noble gases by maintain the stability. Now look at here the electronic configuration of fluorine. Fluorine, you know the atomic number of fluorine is 9. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. These are the electronic configuration of fluorine. Am I right? 1s2, 2s2, 2p5, 2, 2, 4, 5, 9. It means these are the p block elements. Their last electronic configuration is ns2, np5. So these are the p block elements. They contain 1 electron here. Look at here. They are highly negative electron gain enthalpy and radially add 1 or 2 electron. So here fluorine gain 1 electron in p subshell and converted into ns2 np6, means n in the place of n, 2s2 2p6. Then it converted into neon. Neon, atomic number of neon is 10. So they will become stable. Now come on next point, chlorine. You have to see the example of chlorine also. Chlorine, atomic number you know 17. Let's do electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Look at here, 2, 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 17. So chlorine also gain 1 electron and converted into argon. Atomic number of argon is 18. Then chlorine also gain 1 electron and converted into 3p6. This is the electronic configuration of argon. Argon is noble gas. So for stability of elements, they contain 1 or 2 electron more to convert it into noble gas. These are the points written here. 1 or 2 electrons respectively, radially add 1 or 2 electrons respectively to attain stable noble gas configuration. So these are the properties of p block elements. I repeat again my class. What is the today's class? P block elements. They belonging to group 13 to 18, and these together to S block elements are called representative elements or main group element. It means when S and P block elements collectively called representative elements or main group elements. It means when anyone can ask what is the main group element, you say S and P block both. Okay. Now come on next point. Outermost electronic configuration of p block element is ns2 np1 to ns2 np6. It means ns2 np1, ns2 np2, ns2 np3, ns2 np4, ns2 np5 as well as ns2 np6 any. Now come on next point. Group 17 is called halogen. It means here group 17, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, they are called halogen. And Group 16 is called chalcogen. 16 is, look at here, oxygen, sulfur, these are called the chalcogen. Now come on next point, they are highly negative. Electron gain enthalpy and radially add 1 or 2 electron respectively to attain stable noble gas configuration. I discussed here, like fluorine contain 1 electron more to convert into neon. Neon is the noble gas which are stable. Chlorine also can contain 1 electron more to convert into argon. Argon is also noble gas. Now come on next point, left to right means like boron to fluorine. When we go from left to right, then non-metallic character increases. When we go from top to bottom, from bromine to down, on that time metallic character increases. It means left to right non-metallic increases, top to bottom metallic character increases. So this is the today's class. I described in very detail p block elements. Hope you understand this topic. So thank you so much for watching such type of classes and videos and questions, important question. You have to first subscribe Krishna classes and press the like button. Thank you so much for watching.